Mga taga-barangay 485 Sampaloc, Manila. Hello.
Paano na lang ba? Pwede marunong sa konti, Mari.
Korea, made in Korea.
Ay, pasok!
야, 한국 사람이야. 우리 뭐야? Korean.
Korea kayo? Kasya tayo.
Sarap pa man. Kasi naman. Kala ko hindi ko nabago yung pin ko eh. Dapat dami.
Korea siya.
Sino?
Di ba naman Tagalog?
We go Loneta.
Teacher, Korea.
Loneta.
Hindi siya marunong Tagalog.
Hello.
Eh, meron kaming translator, si Betchay.
Loneta.
Hindi naka-waste naman siya, di ba?
방면 우회전입니다.
Luneta.
Follow the way.
Pakigising na lang kami rito sa likod ah. Teka, tubod-tubod ko pa ilong namin. Ay, baka yan yung
약 400m
Korea, ano made in Korea nga ay sasakyan niya.
Ano yan?
도로를 이용하세요.
Baka mamaya yung ano yan.
Alito.
Alito.
Salamat po. Kumusta po?
Salamat po.
Salamat po, kamusta po? Okay lang po.
Kamusta po? This is free.
Baka vlogger kayo, kuya, pa-premium naman dyan.
You teach me Tagalog. Yeah.
Baka vlogger kayo, pa-premium naman dyan.
Chairman.
Hmm?
Chairman.
No.
Ex-chairman.
Former chairman.
Chairman. Chairman here.
Yeah.
Barangay
chairman.
Barangay.
Barangay. Oo. 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you.
Chairman, introduce yourself, Chairman. Ano sa'yo? Ano sa'yo?
Yeah, 안녕하세요. It means hello.
Hello.
Ano sa'yo?
반갑습니다. It means nice to meet
Tonkatsu?
you. 반갑습니다.
Ramen.
반갑습니다.
Tonkatsu, ramen tonkatsu.
Do you watch K-drama?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you watching?
Just a little din naman. Hindi man ako palagi nanonood.
Sometimes maybe. Sometimes it's
Sometimes.
watching. Or sometimes, when we touch, the honesty is too much.
Sino nagpunta kayo or Messi?
I know that song.
Hmm?
Naman nila
And
Sometimes when we touch.
I have a business here.
Oh.
Mm.
You want to go to Korea and then you're here in the Philippines.
Yeah, because I love Filipino people.
Wow.
Friendly people.
Dapat bet ikaw andito,
I love
eh.
also Korean.
Dapat ikaw andito, pagkakataon mo na to.
You been Korea? Have you been Korea?
My ex-boyfriend in Korea. Not yet. That's why I want Korean people.
Oh, you want Korean
Yes,
people?
Koreans.
Oh.
Yeah. Because I'm
We
single.
are 5 Korea driver here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we are 5 Korea
Give me
driver
one.
here. Oh, you want one?
Oh, yeah.
Do you have passport?
Yes!
Do you have?
Yeah. But expired already.
No.
You need to renew your passport. I
I need to
can
have-
wait forever.
Sa North
I
Korea.
can wait forever.
Oh, kanta yun na.
My favorite song is
Yeah. If you say you be there too.
GW 방면
Yeah. And we do business here.
Bet na asawa ka, ha?
We have a business here.
What is your business?
Casino.
Wow.
Do you know?
Yeah.
Where?
I
Oh.
play slot machine.
Do you? Hmm?
Scatter also.
No, I don't
Casino.
play scatter.
Casino.
Ah, you have
Casino.
casino.
Alcohol.
Medical supplies. Oh yeah. Here.
They're in Bangbang.
You need
Yeah, papang.
Yeah, Bangbang.
You need sage lady?
Hmm?
Sage lady no? Picture
I'll,
lagi sage lady.
I'll pass my resignation paper tomorrow and I'll get those ready for
You
the
want?
medical supplies.
Yeah,
How
medical
much the
supplies.
salary?
Above minimum.
Above
much?
minimum. Oh my God.
Almost the minimum.
How much? 600?
700.
Oh, really?
I will start tomorrow.
Oh, you want?
Oh, you resign na.
Later, I will see my boss and then I said, this is my resignation paper,
Yeah,
boss. And
resignation letter.
then I will go to Bang Bang and start my
for-
job tomorrow.
And look for
Sir...
Sir, what?
Jongsu.
Dongzu.
Dongzu.
Jongsu.
Jongsu.
Yeah, Jongsu.
Jongsu.
Yeah.
Jongsu.
Just look for you. Jongsu.
Jongsu.
Yeah, that's my first name.
Okay.
The next name is
Your...
Pot.
Do you have messenger?
Jongsu.
Pot.
Support. Jongsu Pot.
Pot Jongsu in Korea.
Do you have messenger?
So, my name is...
Messenger.
So, my name na is Elizabeth Pot.
We do last name first.
Ah, okay.
Oh, you give messenger.
Messenger?
Yeah.
Ask
Facebook,
Evelyn.
Facebook. Yeah, later.
Yeah.
Later.
I will apply tomorrow, ah.
Teacher.
Oh, picture?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Kinder. Teacher.
They don't need teachers, they need sales
no.
ladies.
일곱시 here?
What?
Wait, my wife is here. 아, 그래요? 그러면 저녁 식사로 나가서 걸로 갈게. 있잖아. 누구 만나려고? 알아. 그러면 맛있는 거 먹어. 이따까지 비서 봐. 네. Yeah, I told to my wife, there's an applicant. You applicant, right? Oh.
Applicant as your second wife?
And
No, my wife is get angry. No. Don't do that.
second wife.
I will adjust.
I will dash for you.
Teacher Beth will adjust.
Yeah, I understand everything.
You want to talk to my wife? I call.
Is there a contract?
Take a picture of that girl.
1 week contract only?
In our office, we have only 6 months contract. After 6 months, renew.
Yeah, 그런데 애는
It's up to you if you want me to renew.
What is your name?
What's your name daw, oy?
Elizabeth.
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 Surname first.
Oh, yeah. Surname first.
Elizabeth Pot.
Oh. We are hiring 5 persons. 5 persons.
You're not joking.
Hiring daw sila, Beth.
Hiring 5
Because we have
person.
a lot of business here. We have a business in Cubao.
Mm.
We have business in Pasay. In Papang. A lot of business here.
And then you're still working like this?
No, I'm just here around here because I'm looking for another spot or another place. Establishment. Because we have another
Oh, you want another branch?
branch.
How's
Medical
that?
supplies only.
No, we have
Ah.
a business Shabu.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
This is,
Hot
ano,
pot, you know the hot pot.
This girl is
Shabu.
yeah. Shabu-shabu.
Yeah, shabu-shabu.
Yeah.
Shabu-shabu.
This girl lives in area where is many shabu.
Yes.
It's
Very.
Yeah.
it's a hot pot.
Yes.
Hot pot.
Very hot.
Okay.
The shabu-shabu.
Shabu-shabu.
Oh,
What is
I
the
like
name of your,
shabu-shabu.
Oh,
ano?
yeah.
What is the name for shabu-shabu?
Yeah, Jongsu shabu-shabu. Oh, yeah, Jongsu shabu-shabu.
I will
You can
put
search it
there.
on
I will
Facebook.
say your name.
Yeah, you can
And
search
you're
it.
free to.
You
Yeah.
can search it daw sa
And then, meron bang free
Hire
cakes?
page.
Give me your, Betcha, your contact number to
Yeah, you
share.
contact-
Siguro
contact
matagal sa
number.
Pilipinas.
Yeah.
My contact number is 1 to 100. You just choose.
No.
Ay, hard to
Your number. It's only
Oh, give mo nyo na lang yung number, sir. Your number.
Number.
number
Give.
5.
Give, yeah.
Number. Cellphone number.
Yeah.
Yeah. We go straight. And then
Saan tayo? Bet kanan, kaliwaan, diretso tayo.
Hindi, straight
Basta
lang.
okay lang sa
diretso
Manila
lang,
Hotel.
okay lang na
Baba
yun.
na lang kami doon.
Manila Hotel lang
Front
kami.
ba?
Until Manila Hotel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. We go Manila Hotel.
When we say stop, we stop.
When you say, when you say, open the door, open the door.
We just wait until we say stop.
Look and listen.
You say,
Mga baliw po.
반갑습니다.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Josie.
Josie and?
Lorna.
And how about the back?
I'm Evelyn. Evelyn on
Evelyn.
your
I'm
left.
Jeanette.
Hey, how about you, sir?
Techi.
Techi.
Chairman Techi.
Chairman Techi.
반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you.
chairman.
Nice to meet
Hindi siya
you.
makakadiretso ba?
How to meet.
Kasi
Ay,
ano,
Bali hanggang dito na lang tayo.
Or-
Yeah.
Yan.
At the
Dito ba tayo, Bert? Saan ba yung hotel?
Then walk na lang tayo.
Walk na lang tayo. Alam na natin.
Here?
Oh, how about your cellphone number?
Huh?
Cellphone number.
Bigay mo sa kanya.
Sige, po.
Ay, ikot na siya doon.
Ha?
Sir, ayaw
Bigay
yung
mo sa kanya
ano.
yung mga ano natin.
Ayun na lang tayo na lang maglakad.
Oo, bigay mo sa kanya.
Thank
Ang
you very
ingay ninyo. Ang ingay ninyo.
Audio vlogger siya.
Thank you.
Sabi na!
So, ito po yung bayad namin.
Ay,
Thank you.
ito yung camera natin.
Ah!
Okay lang ba isama kayo sa content? Okay lang?
Okay na lang.
Yan, it's a free rides na.
Kaya lang, ang dami ko sinabi.
Oy, teka, sino ba talagang na-prank sa inyo? Sino?
Ang dami ko sinabi.
Ito si Hindi. Si Sir medyo slight na prank. Pero sabi ni Sir, vlogger to.
Mamaya na yung pera natin.
Evelyn,
Evelyn, give mo.
Yan
Ate
sa'yo, ha?
Jo, yung pera to kunin mo sa kanya.
Pagkatapos kung dumugo yung ilong sa kanya.
Gagawin mo i-upload to, sir.
Shout out, baka may shout out.
Shout out, District
District Hello, Yorme!
Sama niyo si Sir. Shout out, Sir. Shout out kay Yorme daw.
Shout out kay Yorme! God first! God first!
God first.
District for God first!
Yun, no? God first.
Ang ingay natin.
Ang ingay.
Wala lang, ang dami kong sinabi doon.
Ha-apply daw siya!
Bukas mo yung pintuan namin. Pero ang galing mo mag-Korea.
Ay, thank you, Sir. Thank you, Sir. Prank lang yon.
Confirm you.
Salamat po. Ingat, ma'am.
Panggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat, seryoso pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kasada, tawa lang no wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Free rides para sa mga estudyante. Driver na komedyante, lang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate, nahuhuli minsan. Pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat, seryoso pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang no wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi kang sa hamida. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid.